Google just launched Gemini Omni Flash, a brand new images generator model, Nano Banana 2 Lite. It can create cinematic image like these. And Gemini Omni Flash converts these images into a polished video like this. Even produce documentary-style visuals. You simply describe what you want, and Gemini Omni Flash does the rest. Have you ever wished you could create a cinematic AI video without spending hours editing timelines, masking objects, or learning complicated software? Well, that's exactly what we're exploring today. Higgsfield has just introduced two of Google's newest AI models inside a single workflow: Gemini Omni Flash for AI video generation and editing, and Nano Banana 2 Lite for incredibly fast AI image creation. What makes this interesting isn't just the models themselves, it's how they work together. You can generate an image, instantly turn it into a cinematic video, and then edit that video simply by describing what you want to change in plain language. In this video, I'll show you the complete workflow directly inside the Higgsfield website, taste the features, and share my thoughts along the way. Let's get started. Higgsfield is an AI creation platform designed to bring multiple frontier AI models together in one place. Instead of jumping between different websites and tools, you can generate images, create videos, and continue editing them from the same workflow. Today we're focusing on two newly available models: Nano Banana 2 Lite, Gemini Omni Flash. Together, they create a complete image-to-video production pipeline. Let's see how it works. I'm already inside the Higgsfield.ai website. The first step is creating a reference image using Nano Banana 2 Lite. I'll enter my prompt, for example, a cinematic close-up portrait of an original female explorer standing on a dramatic cliff overlooking a futuristic floating valley at sunrise, and generate the image. One of the biggest advantages here is speed. Images are generated in just a few seconds, making it easy to experiment with different ideas instead of waiting for long rendering times. Another thing worth noticing is the image quality. The model produces clean, detailed images while maintaining strong consistency, which is especially useful when you're building characters or product visuals. Text generation inside images is also significantly improved, making it useful for designs that include typography. Once I'm happy with the image, we can move directly to the next stage. Now comes the exciting part. Instead of downloading the image and moving to another platform, I'll use Gemini Omni Flash inside Higgsfield. I'll use the image we just created as the visual reference. Transform this reference image into a cinematic 10-second sequence. The camera begins with a slow cinematic push-in toward the explorer's face before smoothly orbiting around her left side. Let's generate the video. The result is a fully animated cinematic clip created from a single image. This creates a seamless workflow from image generation to video generation without switching between multiple AI tools. One of the standout features of Gemini Omni Flash is conversational editing. Instead of manually editing every element, I simply describe the changes I want. For example, change the lighting to sunset. Or make the camera move closer. Or increase the cinematic mood. Omni Flash rebuilds the scene based on those instructions. There are no timelines, masks, or keyframes involved. The editing process feels much more natural because you're communicating with the AI instead of manually adjusting dozens of settings. Another capability is multimodal reasoning. Gemini Omni Flash can work across multiple types of inputs, including text, images, video clips, and audio references, bringing them together into a single coherent scene. Rather than treating each input separately, it reasons across them during generation. This opens up much more flexible creative workflows. Another useful feature is remixing existing footage. Instead of generating everything from scratch, you can use an existing video as your starting point and change the overall style, pacing, or mood while keeping the original footage as the foundation. This makes it easier to explore different creative directions without rebuilding the entire scene. Gemini Omni Flash also supports replacing characters or objects using reference images. You can provide a new visual reference, and the model transfers motion and dialogue to the replacement while rebuilding the surrounding scene. This is particularly useful when experimenting with different creative concepts. Another interesting capability is that Gemini Omni Flash can draw upon Gemini's broader understanding of areas such as history, science, mathematics, and narrative logic during video generation. That means the model isn't only generating visually convincing scenes. It can also produce content that's better grounded in real-world knowledge. If your project includes text inside the video, Gemini Omni Flash is designed to place that text naturally within the scene instead of making it appear like a simple overlay.
I used to spend a whole week on one video. Now I batch a month of content in a single afternoon.
This can help create more polished motion graphics and promotional content. This workflow can be useful for many different creative projects, including social media content, product advertisements, marketing videos, character storytelling, interior visualization, creative concept development, image-to-video production, content prototyping. Because everything happens inside one workflow, moving from idea to finished content becomes much faster. After trying this workflow, what stands out most is how smoothly these two models work together. Nano Banana 2 Lite quickly generates high-quality reference images, while Gemini Omni Flash transforms those images into cinematic videos and allows further editing using natural language. Instead of relying on multiple disconnected tools, Higgsfield brings the entire process together in one platform. If you're interested in AI video generation, text-to-image AI, or building a faster creative workflow, it's definitely worth exploring what Higgsfield offers. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find my link at the top of the video description. Let me know in the comments what you'd create first using this workflow. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.